Hey guys, it's Tammy from Fight For You Coaching, and today we are going to talk proteins. We've talked carbohydrates, we've talked fats, and how important each of those are, and what the difference is between good and bad. And today we're going to talk protein and how essential they are in our everyday life and why we need to make sure that we're including them into our nutrition. Proteins are the building blocks of everything. I mean, they build everything. They are what our amino acids come from. We have three kinds of amino acids. We have essentials, non-essentials, and conditional. And our essential amino acids have to be brought into our body via protein. Our body does not make them. And they are absolutely meant by their name to be essential. They help in rebuilding muscles and repairing cells. They help with everything. So they're really important that we get our protein so that we get our essential amino acids. Then we have our non-essential amino acids that essentially come from our essential amino acids. So we need to have that protein to get all of them, and they kind of work in a in a downward thing. And I'll explain that more in my blog. It really gets technical. Proteins kind of get into a technical, are really technical. So I'm going to really dig in and get into that more in my written blog. So be sure that you kind of read up on that as well. A good way to determine whether or not you're getting a good amount of protein, you guys, is if you're eating the calories that you're supposed to eat a day, you can guarantee you're getting enough protein. Protein comes from, of course, beef, pork, chicken, but you also get protein from dairy products as well as from your beans. And those are all a good source of protein. I know that you guys see a lot of people that bodybuild and do all that consume large amount of protein. And I think that that's okay. There's still a lot of people that think that if you consume too much protein, because the byproduct of protein when it's breaking down is nitrogen, which is with nitrate, which is really hard for the kidneys to process. I'm kind of on the fence about that right now, because I really do think that you have to consume a lot of protein. I mean, I'm talking huge amounts of protein, so much that it overloads your kidneys and you're unable to work out those byproducts of protein. All of it's essential, all of the different nutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats. So make sure that you look back on my other blogs that I've written about carbs and fats, and make sure that you check out my blog today on proteins. I'm really going to dig deep into the amino acids and tell you how important they are. I could bore you for an hour here talking about all of that, but I think that you'll get it better if you read it. So if you have any more questions or want me to add something to my blog that I'm going to write up later today, make sure you leave it in the comments. But I just want to stop by and let you guys know that today I'm going to talk about proteins in my blog, and I will post it and share it to Facebook later. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.